Wow, very nice na. Sinipag. Hmm? Wow, ganda-ganda na. Oh. Very clean na. Oh. Merinda na pang. Wow, ang ganda. Effort talaga. Repainting the walls. Kanong upa dito? Dito na tayo. Mga tog, dito hod natin akyat yan. Wow, ito yung gawa niya guys. So, hagdan papunta sa rooftop garden. Repainting. We are going to change the door. Oh, isa. Ito lang ang ano. Ano ba to pagtanggalin? Kaway-kaway. Dadang bas kaway-kaway. Pinapaganda ang dingding para daw gumanda ang bahay. Repainting lang guys para magmukhang bago ulit. Trying to beautify our walls. After finishing painting follows. Second floor area. May nag-i-inquire nga pang eh. Kaya lang, ewan ko ba't ba ng pangalan niya, Arabo yung hindi ko mabasa ang letters. 4-5 nga ko. Magtanong ng exact location for viewing. First come, first serve. Pwede ka pa nasabi kay Ting na binaba mo sa 4-5.
Sinabihan ko na.
Ang sabi? Wala pa siguro. Ganda yung white paint lang guys kasi maliwanag at wala daw masyadong lamok pag puti ang pintura. Tang 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 tang. This is adjacent to the wall, a door and window going to the terrace. Dahan lang guys, kaya wala mong budget pang bigla. Pag may time, pag may budget. Just roll the roller and wipe on the floor. That's it. How to brighten your walls. White paint is recommended in order to avoid mosquitoes. Mosquitoes like dark areas, so we will make the area light or bright. So that it would be insect free. It's about how to beautify our home. Do it yourself procedure in order to save cost of labor. How to save on labor cost. We will just do it ourselves. Thank you for watching, guys. Merenda muna pang. Merenda. It's break time, snack time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel. Golden Box TV Vlog. Bye.